Transforming your home's exterior can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach and a little know-how, installing vinyl siding can be an achievable and rewarding project. Whether you're looking to boost curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, or protect your investment from the elements, vinyl siding offers a durable, cost-effective, and low-maintenance solution that can dramatically enhance the look and feel of your home. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know to make vinyl siding installation easy, accessible, and even enjoyable. Let's start with why homeowners across the country are choosing vinyl siding. Unlike traditional wood or brick, vinyl is resistant to rot, pests, and weather damage. It comes in a wide variety of colors and styles, allowing you to create the perfect look for your home, whether you prefer classic charm or modern minimalism. Best of all, it never needs to be painted, saving you time and money on upkeep for years to come. Before you even purchase your siding, planning is key. Begin by measuring the exterior walls of your home to determine how much siding you'll need. Don't forget to account for windows, doors, and other architectural features that may require special trim or flashing. Once you have your measurements, add about 10% extra material to cover mistakes or future repairs. Next, choose the right vinyl siding for your needs. There are several profiles, such as clapboard, Dutch lap, and board and batten, each offering a unique aesthetic. Consider the thickness of the panels as well. Thicker siding tends to be more durable and resistant to warping or cracking. Select a color and style that complements your roof, windows, and landscaping for a cohesive, attractive finish. Gather your tools and materials before you begin. You'll need a tape measure, chalk line, utility knife, hammer or nail gun, level, circular saw or tin snips, and a power drill. Fasteners should be corrosion resistant, like galvanized or stainless steel nails. Safety gear, including gloves and eye protection, is also essential. Start by preparing the work area. Remove any old siding, nails, or debris from the exterior walls. Inspect the underlying sheathing for damage and replace any rotten or compromised sections. Install a weather-resistant barrier, such as house wrap or felt paper, to protect your home from moisture infiltration. Tape and seal all seams, paying special attention to corners and window edges. Next, install the starter strip at the base of the wall. This critical component ensures that your first row of siding sits level and securely. Use a chalk line to mark a straight, even line around the perimeter of the house. Then fasten the starter strip along this guideline, allowing a small gap at the end for expansion. Once the starter strip is in place, you can begin installing the siding panels. Start at one end of the wall and work your way across, locking each panel into the starter strip and nailing it to the wall. Be sure to leave about 1/16 of an inch between the nail head and the panel to allow for expansion and contraction with temperature changes. Overdriving nails or fastening the panels too tightly can cause buckling and damage over time. As you progress, stagger the joints between panels for a more natural appearance and improved structural integrity. Use a level to check each row as you go, ensuring a straight, even installation. When you reach windows, doors, or corners, measure and cut panels carefully to fit around these obstacles. Install J-channel trim around windows and doors to create a clean, finished look and direct water away from the openings. Corners require special attention. Outside corners are typically finished with preformed corner posts, which accept the ends of the siding panels and provide a neat, weatherproof edge. Inside corners can be finished with specialized inside corner posts or by overlapping panels and sealing the joint. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for your specific siding and trim products. At the top of each wall, you'll need to trim the final row of siding panels to fit. Measure the gap and use a utility knife or tin snips to cut the panels to the correct width. Snap the cut panels into place and secure them with finished trim or utility trim for a seamless, professional appearance. Throughout the installation process, pay attention to ventilation and flashing. Proper ventilation in your home's exterior walls helps prevent moisture buildup and mold growth, while flashing around windows, doors, and roof lines directs water away from vulnerable areas. Take your time with these details, as they're crucial to the long-term performance of your siding. Once all the panels are in place, step back and admire your work. With proper installation, vinyl siding can last for decades, offering reliable protection and enduring beauty. Regular maintenance is simple. Just rinse the siding with a garden hose or soft brush to remove dirt and debris. Avoid harsh chemicals or high-pressure washers, as these can damage the finish. If you ever need to make repairs, vinyl siding makes it easy. Individual panels can be removed and replaced without disturbing the act of the installation. Just another reason why this material is a favorite among homeowners and contractors alike. In addition to its practical benefits, vinyl siding can also improve your home's energy efficiency. Many products are available with insulated backing, which adds an extra layer of thermal protection and can help lower your heating and cooling bills. Combined with proper sealing and weatherproofing, new siding can create a more comfortable, efficient living environment year-round. Finally, don't forget the finishing touches. New shutters, updated lighting, or fresh landscaping can further elevate your home's exterior and make your investment shine. Whether you're planning to stay for years or preparing to sell, attractive, well-installed siding is one of the best ways to increase your home's value and appeal. Transforming your home with vinyl siding doesn't have to be complicated. With careful planning, the right materials, and a step-by-step approach, you can achieve professional results and enjoy a beautiful, durable exterior for years to come. So roll up your sleeves, gather your tools, and get ready to see your home in a whole new light. Because with vinyl siding, a stunning transformation is easier than you think.